Well, hello everybody. I hope all is well. Everybody's having a great and wonderful day. It's still warm, but we're going to get through it. Got a few more words I want to do. Thank you for joining me. I'm Marty Grandma. We're going to go over a few words here. Let's get to it. Okay. The first word that we have today is lease. Lease. A lease is a contract. A contract for a specified period of time, like to rent a car, to lease a car, lease an apartment, lease something. If you lease something, you're leasing for a period of time and you sign a contract. That's a lease. You don't own it. You're just like borrowing it for a while. Okay? All right. The next word we have here is leased. Leased. Least. To the smallest extent or degree. The least among something. It's the smallest one. Doesn't get much attention. Doesn't have. Is not really important. Least. Small. To the smallest extent or degree. Okay. This one, lease. Lease is a contract to rent something or have something. Okay. All right. Next we have affect. 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 It means to have an effect on, to make a difference to, touch the feelings of someone, to move them emotionally. That's an affect. Affect. Now, effect. Effect is the extent to which something succeeds or is operative, like the Doppler effect in a weather service. Effect, the extent to which something succeeds or is operative. This affect hits somebody emotionally or moves somebody, makes a difference or touches somebody emotionally. Okay? All right. The last one we have here is new. Knew. It means to have been absolutely certain or sure about something. New. To know. New is the past tense of know. I just know it was something that interested me. No. New. Past tense of know. Okay? All right. This one, new. New is not existing before. Not previously used or owned. Brand new. Hot off the line. Straight off the rack. New. Knew means you knew something. To know. Okay? All right. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you and your presence. God bless you. Stay safe. Think smart. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Share this information with somebody you think can use it. And subscribe. I'd be ever so grateful. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe. Peace. Bye.